Hi everybody and welcome to today's TransitLeonBirdTV.com food review. Today we've got chicken surprise. Let's have a look at the chicken surprise. How does this look, people? Does this look good or what? Yep, you've got your Mexican, you've got your brown chicken, and you've got your red chicken. And here you've got avocado and potato. Let's go in for the avocado first. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Chicken surprise. Let's see what I think.
So on the steak that we got from Aldi. So tell me what you think of it.
Say, thumbs up on the chicken surprise. Let's try one of the other chicken surprises. This is a tomato one. Let's see what I think. Thumbs up on the chicken surprise. Now let's try the potato. Let's see what I think.
It's saying that, oh, like your program. No, it says move over.
A big thumbs up on the chicken surprise
Is
meal.
that what it's saying now?
Well, there you go. That was my review of the. That was my review of the chicken surprise. Alright. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Transit Leonbird TV out. Beep.